Come test drive the 2016 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, remote engine start, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, electronic messaging assistance with read function, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, door courtesy lights, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.